AV Studios presents Lightning Thunder VIJAY Chapter 2 The Revenge, directed by Adharv.V. Where am I? Hello Vijay, how are you now? Not perfectly okay. Dear doctor, do you know what happened to me? You struck lightning. It was a miracle that you're still alive. I think that your body have capacity to survive lightning. Well, take rest for some days. Okay doctor. Hello Vijay. What a miracle. Are you living again? Bikash, I want to speak alone with Vijay. Okay Surya. Vijay, if you are living while you got struck lightning, that's sure that your body have extra powers. Extra powers? Yes, the superpowers. Surya, I decided to check my superpower. That's good decision. Vijay, first check your aim. Okay. Look Vijay, your aim was correct. Vijay, you go and punch to the wall. Okay. Look Vijay, wall has been broke. Vijay, you got superpowers. I can't believe that I got superpowers. Well, it's time to revenge. I want to kill Vikram. Before that, I want to buy superhero. Vijay, I got superhero costumes. Okay, I like this costume very much. Let's buy it. Vijay, choose your superhero name. Already fixed. And the name was Lightning Thunder VIJAY. Next name, let's add this name to your shirt. As your dream, we can kill Vikram and his team also. I'm sure that there was two peoples as the helper of Vikram. So be careful. Vikram boss, don't you remember Ravi's son? Yeah, Vijay. What happened? He struck lightning. What? He struck lightning? Oh my god, that's what a good news. What did he say? He will kill me after he growing up. But the god killed him before he killed me. Ha 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 ha. Vikram boss, it's not sure that he has been there. No one can survive lightning. Bimran, you proved yourself you are a fool. Bimran, I am going to dismiss you from my gang because you are the greatest fool of the world. Ping tong. Who was that? Don't you know me? I am Vijay. I am still alive. I got superpower when I struck lightning. It helps to complete my revenge. Vijay, are you still living? Guys, kill Vijay.